When it's time to get high, go to Goliath Growers Garden. It's time to get high. Go to Goliath Growers Garden.
What is up, YouTube? Goliath Grower here. Got a little update for you. Right here we got the trim tray. I'll do a little review on it. Just come in the mail today, so let's open her up. Right here we're gonna do a little review on the trim tray. I ordered this on Amazon a couple days ago. It was like 60 bucks. Came in the mail today, so let's check it out. That's where you can probably also get it from. Turning green into gold. Comes with a magnifying scooper. That's cool. Alright. Trim tray. And then right there, trim tray features 150 micron stainless steel screen, non-slip base for laptop use, lightweight compact design, magnifying card included. Alright, so let's check it out. It's got a pretty fine screen on it. Pretty fine. Set this down right here. Check out what's in this bag. Looks like there's a little brush also. So it comes with a brush and a magnifying scraper right here. And it's two tray. It's got two trays on it. So this is where everything falls. And then you do your trimming on here. So we'll get to doing some of that.
Go to Goliath Growers Garden.